Bangi ino irahanditwo hamwe na irio ingi mugunda-ini wa mundu kiumbe ni andu matari maramenyeka indi ene mugunda uyu matire no menyo uyu. Borithi maugite ati ekwirwo atatu ni marahotire gwithara ona gutuika ni maracaranio nao.
Those who are planting the banga along amongst other food crops, this is a menace that we must all work together to make sure we eradicate it.
Borithi maranyitanire na ikari ya gicigo kiu kumunya bangi ino na hindi o iyo maramenya haria bangi ino iragucagirio hakuhe na mugunda ucio.
Notifying them that wherever we find brewing of illicit brews, planted stems like these ones, we shall be on the lookout because the owners of the land also have a mandate to ensure that such things don't happen in their land.
Marete ni uritie ikari ya gicigo giki mathie na mbere kunyitanira na afitha a borithi niguo kuhiukia dawa cia kurebia iria ikoretwo igomeire gicigo giki kwa ihinda iraihu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Geto Muthoni wa Wangari.